Hello everyone, I hope you are following me and today I'm here to discuss about the syllabus and pattern of examination of AP Genco Junior Accounts Officer examination and what are the reference books you can refer for this examination. So as we discussed in previous video, we have a total 4 sections in the examination. Mm, 4 sections in the examination. This is going to held on 30th of December, the examination date. Center available at Vijayawada only, and the sections for divided into first section A on core academic curriculum, section B on computer awareness, section C on analytical aptitude, on language proficiency for section D. Okay, so for section A, the syllabus is numerical ability. No, for section A is belong to academic curriculum. So first, before discussing the syllabus, we need to have 2 more points. The total marks for examination for exam is 200 marks, which is going to happen for 100 marks, which is going to happen for 100 marks. Okay, how these 100 marks are distributed into these 4 sections? They did not mention in the notification, as the experts are saying that I discussed with the experts who are working as a JAO in the GENCO. So the experts saying that 50 marks per subject and other 50 marks divided into other 3 sections. I hope you got my point. So total examination marks will be 100 marks. For first 50 marks will be based on subject only, that is on numerical curriculum. Okay, and the second 50 marks divided into these 3 parts: computer awareness and analytical aptitude, language proficiency, vocabulary, sentence corrections, reading comprehensions. So we need to concentrate more on the subject, plus as we have a sectional cutoff for all the sections, like we need to get 30% in each section, so we need to concentrate on other 3 also. From tomorrow we are going to upload the videos on analytical aptitude also, and the 50 marks will be divided into other 3 sections like these 3. Okay, next, for numerical ability, the syllabus is simple and compound interest, time and work, percentages, profit and loss, mixture and delegation, pipes and distance, average data interpretation, numerical systems, number systems, problems and trains, HCF, LCM, clocks and calendars, board streams, problems on ages, discounts, time and distance. This is the syllabus for numerical ability, that is analytical aptitude. Okay, section C. It's belong to section C. And this syllabus belong to section C. Okay. Next, for language proficiency, as they mentioned clearly in the notification itself, sentence corrections, vocabulary, reading comprehension. See, you should concentrate more on antonyms and synonyms. Without that questions on antonyms and synonyms, question paper will not be prepared. That's it. Please do concentrate on antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms and synonyms. Please do concentrate more on this. Please do concentrate more on this. Next, For computer awareness, this belongs to section C, section E, section B, I think. Section B. Okay. Section B for computer awareness. MS Excel, uploading in web page, internet use, downloading from web page, PowerPoint presentation, MS Word, MS Office, net surfing. All these syllabus they did not given in the exam, sorry, notification. They did not given in the notification, but the trend is going on for electricity companies for these syllabus only. Okay, and did you got my point? So I'm not going to bear the responsibility for these syllabus. The trend is like this. I'm giving a glance idea about how the trend is going on for from the previous. From the previous data I have taken this. So this is the data which is going to, which we can expect in the examination. This is the syllabus. Mm. So we are having almost 50% of the weightage to other than a subject. So we need to have a balance between 50 marks of subject and 50 marks of other than subject. Without balance, we may not get through this examination. So please do concentrate on other subjects also, not only on the academic curriculum. So I hope you got the clarity. From tomorrow, we are going to upload the classes on academic curriculum and analytical aptitude. Other two will be taken care by you by reading reference in any reference books. And also I want to give the clarity for reference books also. Most of them are asking for reference books. And, what should I do? What should I do? Refer for all the exam. So the books will be for accounting and advanced accounting. NK Kakkar. I don't know whether it is available in market or not, but this is the multiple choice question for advanced accountancy, and for accountancy you can refer CSEP. That's it. And for cost accounting you can refer MN or objective type questions which will be available in the market. Objective questions based on cost accounting by MN Arora. Next, auditing. There is no reference book for auditing. Mm, if you get any multiple choice questions, you have to practice it. That's it. I don't know whether for multiple choice questions auditing book is available. I didn't aware of this. For other subjects like numerical ability syllabus, I don't want to refer any books to you. So because I don't know the idea belongs um, what the reference books will be used for this syllabus other than subject, because I know only subject. The numerical ability syllabus will be taken care by other person. Maybe she will be explaining you for that. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe our channel for more videos, and please hit the like and press the bell button also.